Everything local.
Yeah.
Everything we have local downtown. We are cheap downtown. Nobody not do you nothing when you come downtown. We bounce back so quick, America can't feed Jamaican.
Tomato as low as $50 this week. Hi guys, welcome back to Market Bag. This week we're joined by the Minister of Agriculture, Fisheries and Mining, the Honorable Floyd Green. Thank you for being here, Minister.
Happy to be here with the Observer team. Happy to be in Coronation Market, looking good. Definitely want some color, look.
So Minister, tell me, there's a reduction in prices this week. What implementations has the ministry taken to reduce the prices?
So what you're seeing is a result of a combination of the seeds, a combination of the water, a combination of the preparation, plus just some excellent farmers, some really strong farmers who were determined to ensure we could feed Jamaica again.
At your most recent press briefing, you also mentioned that there's a glut in the market. So what is being done about that?
Yeah, so as you can see, when you hear things like tomato for $50 a pound, remember, these are the persons who sell to consumers. They would have bought it for cheaper for them to be able to sell it for $50 a pound. And that means now there's so much supply that it is outstripping the demand. So your cost that you're getting, your price that you're getting is low.
We're noticing that there's still a plantain and banana shortage, and that happens every time there's a natural disaster. So what is being done about that?
Thankfully, the farmers have been back out there, but we do not allow the importation of banana and plantain because the risk of disease is too high. And normally it takes about 7 months for there to be a recovery. So already through the catastrophe program that they have, they would have gotten some resources. We've already started some distribution, and now we're going into a $100 million program to provide inputs to our banana and plantain farmers. You see people look good. Hi, come say with some things, huh? How things are going?
Alright.
Look good, man, it look good. Agriculture is a difficult portfolio because a lot of the things you may not have control over. But I find that we are taking steps to build more resilience, right? So I'm not surprised at how quickly we've rebounded, because after Hurricane Beryl, we also saw a quick rebound. And clearly what I want to ensure is that every time we have a natural disaster, while we can't avoid them, that the resilience is there so that we recover stronger, we recover quicker.
And I see you're picking up a few things. What are your go-to things, Minister, when you go shopping?
Well, I've been having a great shopping experience because one, I saw orange, and I haven't seen orange in a little while. You know, we've had challenges with our citrus greening. So picked up some orange. I saw things like June plum. So I love fruits, right? So I picked up some of that. But things like sweet pepper, you know, when you look at the quality, it's looking extremely good. But I was able to get some leafy vegetables, again, trying to still in that New Year mode, trying to keep yourself on the green path. How you doing? Oh, yes. You know for the work. This is good. How is it going? How is it looking?
I just got here.
Okay.
Come on. So.
Price them good. But the tomato gone.
Right.
I love you, man. Blessed love.
So Minister, how was your shopping experience?
Excellent, superb. You know, it's good to see that the things that are happening out in the field are having an impact in the market space. That's what we do. I always say with agriculture, you can't hide from agriculture. You know whether things are going well or whether they're not going well, because all you have to do is visit the market. Today was excellent. I got some great stuff. I know when I go home, the household will be very happy. So, good day.
And it's also a good time for you guys to come out and shop. So thank you for joining us. Until next time, bye.
Excellent. Just what we need.